Dear students and viewers, good morning. Welcome to our online class of Shakipur Pilot Girls High School. Hi, I am Arman Khan, Assistant Teacher in English, Shakipur Pilot Girls High School. Dear students, in the previous class, I have discussed changing sentence from complex to simple. Today, I am going to discuss changing sentence from complex to compound. Today, our topic is changing sentence complex to compound. Can you remember what is complex sentence? Only one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause that belongs complex sentence, and a compound sentence only one principal or more principal clause are connected with coordinating conjunction. Okay, today our topic is compound to complex. Come to the point, rule 1. If the complex sentence begin with since, as, when, as Rona finished her work, she took rest. You can see the sign of complex sentence since, as, when. If the complex sentence begin with since, as, when and the subject of both clauses are same, Runa, and its pronoun is she. If we are to change into compound, we have to write after s from subject to up to comma, Runa finished her work. You have to use conjunction as it is compound sentence, so we have to use here conjunction. As the subject of the both clauses are same, so we have to use only one subject, Runa, and we have to write after subject of the second clause up to the last or rest of the clause to rest. Let's listen to me again. If the complex sentence begin with since, as, when and the subject are the same both of the clauses, if you want to change into compound, at first you have to write after since, as, when up to the comma, Runa finished her work, and you have to use conjunction, and then you have to write of the second clause after subject up to the rest of the part of the clause to rest. That means Runa finished her work and to rest. If the subject are different between the two clauses, suppose since the feast was over, comma, everybody returned home. That's a very simple or easy rule. Here The subject are different, both of the clauses. Here the subject the feast and here subject everybody. If we are to change into compound, at first we have to read right after since as when. That means from the subject of the first clause after the comma was over. The feast was over and we have to use conjunction and so instead of comma, and the second clause will not be changed. Everybody returned home. Returned home. Now, are you clear about this? Okay. What is the difference between the two examples? Here is only one subject with both of the clauses, and here the subjects are different of the both of the clauses. So we have to use, if the subject are same both of the clause, you have to use conjunction and if the subject are different between the two clauses, just you have to conjunction. You have to use conjunction and so. There is no difference in other parts of the rules. Rule 3. The girl was so dull that she could not solve the problem. Solve the problem. Listen to me carefully. Here, so adverb plus adjective and that. If the complex sentence belongs to adverb plus adjective and that, if we want to change into compound, then you have to write the subject and verb will not be changed of the first clause. The girl was. You have to use very instead of so. Then you have to write adjective dull. The girl was very dull. Then you have to use and so instead of that. And the second clause will not be changed. She could not solve the problem. Solve the problem. That's very easy. Just you have to change only adverb. Here adverb was so and here adverb is very. And you have to use just that instead of that, you have to use conjunction and so. And the second clause will not be changed. Okay, come to the another rule 4. When it was evening, I returned home. Very easy example. When it is evening, I returned home. If the complex sentence indicates any time after when, If we want to change into compound sentence, we have to use, after when we have to write up to comma, it was evening, and then you have to use conjunction and instead of comma, and the second clause will not be changed. I returned home. I returned home. That's very easy. Just only one or two words have to change into compound. Here, when instead of when and comma, just we can use here conjunction and the both of the clauses will not be changed. Are you clear about this rule? Okay. Come to the another rule. If the complex sentence begin with do or although, do or although. Rule 5. Do, क्या, read attentively, she could not make a good result. Make a good result. If the complex sentence begin with though or although, if we are to change it to compound, at first we have to write the first clause after though although. क्या, read attentively, instead of do or comma you have to use conjunction but, then the second clause will not be changed. She could not make a good result. Very important rule. Listen to me. If the complex sentence begin with do or although, if we want to change into compound, at first you have to write the first clause after do or although, then you have to use but instead of comma, and the second clause will not be changed. Come to the another rule. 6. If the complex sentence begin with unless you play well, you will be punished. You will be punished. If the complex sentence begin with unless, if we want to change into compound, at first we have to write the base form of the verb play. Rest of the part of the clause when, then we have to use conjunction or instead of comma, and second clause will not be changed. You will be punished. Okay, look at the blackboard. If the complex sentence begin with unless, if we want to change into compound, at first we have to write the base form of the first clause, play well the rest of the part of the clause, then we have to use conjunction or instead of comma, and the second clause will not be changed. If the complex sentence begin with if and the clause is negative, suppose if you do not try your best, you will not shine in life. Both the rules are same. This complex sentence may begin with unless or if, but if the clause will be negative, unless is the negative form, so the clause has been here affirmative. If you want to change into compound, you have to write the base form of the verb, try your best. You have to use conjunction or instead of comma, and the second clause will not be changed. You will not shine in life. Are you clear? The complex sentence can begin with unless or if, but if the clause will be negative, expressed negative meaning, and unless is the negative form, we know. So the rules are the same of the both of the example. Okay, if the clause begin with if and the sentence expresses affirmative, then you have to use and conjunction instead of comma. Suppose if you work hard, comma, you will prosper in life. Here the sentence has begun with if, but the clause has expressed affirmative form, and so if we are to change into compound, at first you have to write the base form of the verb work hard, then you have to use conjunction and the second clause will not be changed. You will prosper in life. Are you clear about this rule? Almost the rules are same. Here just we have used conjunction or, and here we have used conjunction and, because this clause expressed the negative form or negative meaning, and this clause has expressed affirmative meaning. So the conjunction has changed or and. Okay, come to the another rule. If the clause begin with while, how can we change into compound if the clause begin with while? It's very easy. Suppose rule 9, while he was walking through a forest, a snake bit him. If the complex sentence begin with while, and if we are to change it to compound, the rules are the same. We have to write the first clause after while up to the comma. He was walking through a forest, comma, a snake bit him. He was walking through a forest, so here will be and. A snake bit him. Here the just symbol or sign has been changed, and both of the clauses are same between the complex sentence and compound sentence. Here just we can change only the symbol or sign or features. Here the features, while these are the features of complex sentence, and the conjunction and are the features of the compound sentence, and the clauses will not be changed. Okay, come to the rule 10. I helped a girl who was poor. Here, this complex sentence belongs to relative pronoun, and this relative pronoun has connected both the clauses I helped a girl and was poor. If we want to change into compound, at first we have to write first clause I helped a girl, and we have to use conjunction and instead of relative pronoun. Then we have to use pronoun of the object of the first clause, a girl. Then you have to write rest of the part of the clause after relative pronoun after the full stop. She was poor. I helped a girl and she was poor. Are you clear? If the complex sentence begin with relative pronoun, if we want to change into compound, then we have to use conjunction and instead of relative pronoun. Okay, dear students, come to the another rule, 11. Hona saw a man who was an engineer. Both the rules are same, but there is the difference here. In this example, after relative pronoun, we can see here be verb and adjective, and here be verb and plus noun. If we want to change into compound, the rules are the same. Hona saw a man and he we have to use conjunction of the object of the first clause. He was an engineer. I give the example only for here now adjective and here is noun. There is no difference between the two rules. Okay. Come to the last rule. Rule 11. When it was Saturday, when it was Saturday, they visited Cox's Bazar. Okay. If we are to change into compound, how can we do? At first we have to write first clause. After when we have to start. It was Saturday. And we have to use conjunction and the second clause will not be changed. They visited Cox's Bazar. Okay, dear students, these are the important rules from complex to compound, and try your best at your home, and if you try, you will be perfect in changing sentence, and try to save yourself from coronavirus Thank you everybody.